What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for joining us here today. We have the Philips Hue outdoor floodlight fixture. This is going to be an easy way to add smartphone control and automated lighting pretty much to anywhere you need those mounted lights outside, whether it's above a garage, on a patio, on your porch, whatever it's going to be. It's really easy just to control these from your phone, control the brightness, set them on a schedule, or even automate them using built-in Hue app or HomeKit. Philips recently released a bunch of different outdoor lights, and this is just one of them. This is more of a fixture than an actual integrated unit, so you do have other options if this style is not really to your liking, but we're going to focus on the actual fixture here as well as the lights that come with it. Inside of the box, you're going to find some basic cardboard, which houses all of the components you're going to need to actually set this thing up and get going. For our installation, we're going to replace an existing spotlight that's on our porch with this new Philips floodlight fixture. Installation here was really easy, and it only took us a few minutes to actually remove our existing fixture and install the new one. In the box, you're going to get the actual mounting hardware, 2 of the outdoor floodlight bulbs, and the fixture itself. The fixture is a mix of really pretty hard plastic and metal. The base and everything on the back is metal, though the actual hoods that cover the lights themselves is going to be plastic. That way they don't draw too much heat and get really hot when the lights are on for quite a bit of time. As you can see, the fixture is pretty much a normal outdoor fixture. What makes this different and makes these smart is the actual bulbs themselves. They sell the bulbs individually just by themselves, so you could take the bulbs and put them into any of your existing fixtures and not worry about buying this new one. But if you're in the market for an actual new fixture and the smart bulbs at the same time, this is a really solid option. Each of these bulbs is capable of putting out 1300 lumens of light, which is pretty bright, especially when you've got 2 of them going on here. Most of their internal lights range between 600 to 900 depending on which bulb and which generation it happens to be. The fixture is pretty movable. Each of the sides has a couple different slots that you can move the actual things around and adjust their angle. So you can really put it outside and kind of angle these lights exactly where you'd like them to be. We were pretty fond of the look of this. I mean, it's really simple. There's not anything too flashy or exciting. It has that matte black finish, which really blends into a lot of exterior. So you don't have to kind of worry about does this fit your home or not. It's just a really simple design that should fit a lot of people's while still looking a little bit modern. The only logo that you're going to see other than on the base of the bulbs is on the top of the actual mounted hardware, which you're never going to see anyway. This is going to get put up on the side of your house and you're never even going to notice that. Around back, you're going to see all the wires that we need to actually hook this thing up. All the hardware is included, including the wire nuts, so it's really easy to actually put this thing into place. So let's go ahead and do it. We've already removed our outdoor fixture and we're going to put this thing into place. Just requires screwing this in. It's variable, so it'll adjust to the size that you have and should pretty much fit any box that you already have. Hook up that ground wire, the black and the white, and then you're all good to go. It literally only took us a few minutes to get this thing installed. Once we were done, we hit that light switch to see how it worked, and luckily it worked right on the first try. One thing to note is with any of these outdoor smart lights is you kind of have to leave the indoor switch on, because if that's turning off or on, then you can't control these from your phone. So that switch needs to stay on at all times. And then you can control these directly from your phone, set them on a schedule to turn on and off during different times of day, or you can hook them to a motion sensor. Philips obviously has their own Hue motion sensor, or you can tie them into any of the HomeKit motion sensors. It's really easy to do, and that's what we've done here. We have a Logitech Circle 2 camera mounted right above our porch. Whenever it detects motion at night, it'll go ahead and kick on our patio lights, which includes these light strips that are going around the edge and our new Philips Hue floodlight. That gives us much better illumination to see what's actually happening in our area, and if there's someone trying to break in or something, it'll go ahead and help scare them away. Many of Hue's lights are optional for color changing, and this is not one of them. These lights are only a warm white color, though the brightness can still be controlled. So if they're too bright, you can change that or have them go to different brightnesses based on the different times of day. Philips Hue lights are the first HomeKit capable lights that are made for the outdoors. And while the lights themselves are great, the fixture is only just okay. It's pretty simple, and if you would prefer a different design, you can easily go pick one up at Home Depot or Lowe's and then pick up the lights separately and use those instead. That said, the fixture still works and looks great, so if you like it, go ahead and grab it. You can find a link down below in the description.